In this video, I show you how to fix Chrome is not responding close-up problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Chrome, click on Chrome, update your Chrome app if available any update version, then go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps, scroll down, find out Google Chrome app, click on Chrome, click on Force Stop, click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache, clear cache, then manage space, then clear all data. OK. Now open Chrome app. No thanks. Now I hope that this method fix Chrome is not responding problem on Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.